So 4:05 left in the first half. We still got time to do some more damage. Just not to cause any more.
Yes, but no self-inflicted damage, not more of that. We can't take any more of that.
A civil authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. Texas, at 8:16 p.m. on Sep 19th, 2025, effective until 8:16 p.m. Sep 20th, 2025. Amber Alert. Child abduction from San Antonio, Texas. Suspect vehicle is white 2020 Nissan Kicks with Texas license plate ETJ8610. Missing child is Leah Calderon, 4-year-old white female. Suspect is Brittany Zapata, 34-year-old white female. Call San Antonio Police Department with information. If seen, call 911.
You're on, go.
Okay, we are back to short kickoff. 1st and 10 for Cooper. Quarterback takes the ball, going to keep it himself. We got a flag. He tackled about the 40-yard line. So we were taken off the air shortly for an Amber Alert.